today I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet ring out of loom bands, and it's really easy. So let's get started. So for this bracelet you'll be needing about 10 of these loom bands, and this is going to be for the rings, and I've chosen white, and around 10 of these bands. These are different shades of pinks, and this is going to be for the chain. And then you'll need about 20 of the bracelet bands, which I've picked the color red, and an S or C clip, and also any hook. I'm using a crochet hook. So let's get started. So you're going to start off by taking any color. I'm using red for the bracelet, and I'm going to wrap it around my hook 3 times like this. So it looks like there's 3 different bands on your hook. And now I'm going to take one single red band, and I'm going to pull this this band onto it, and then replace this stretched band like this. And then I'm going to pull this band that's dangling on it. And now I'm just going to do single chains. So a single chain is like this. You're going to take one of your bands and put it on the end of your hook and pull with one of your fingers. And then you're going to take these 2 bands over here and slip them onto this band here. And then you're going to push this band down so you have enough space to put the band that was on your finger back on your hook. And then after you do every chain, I would recommend pulling this band at the bottom so it really gets the shape. And then you're just going to keep on doing that until it fits your wrist. And I'll show you how to measure it after I finish doing it. Okay, so now as I have finished doing all of my bands, the way that I like to measure it is I like to put it over here and hold this with my finger on this hand, and then I'll take the end of this and wrap it around, and then just see if it fits, and it looks like it fits pretty well. So I'm going to do it just like this. So now we are going to move on to the next step. So now I'm going to take one more of the same band color, and I'm just going to put it to a side for 1 second. So I can take this bottom band here, my cup band, and I'm just going to expand it. And this might be a little bit tricky because as all of the colors are the same, it might be a bit hard to try and find it. So just find the ones that have a loop. And now I took mine, I found mine, and I'm going to expand it and put it on my hook with this other one, like this. And now I'm going to take my extra band and I'm going to put it on my hook, and I'm going to put all of the bands that are now on my hook onto that band and then put it back. So now we have made a bracelet shape, and we are going to make the chain. The chain is a lot similar. It's just at the end we're not gonna do that one last stitch that we did. So we're just going to take one of our colors. I have mixed shades, and I'm just going to do single chain all along until it fits this bit of your hand from the bracelet, and then I'm just going to do this all along until it fits my hand size. So now I have finished the chain of my ring bracelet. Now I'm going to do the ring part, which is exactly the same as the chain that we just did, but we're going to do some extra stitches at the end, just like our bracelet. So we're just going to do single chains all along until it fits your finger, whatever finger you're going to put it on. And we're just going to do single chains all along. So now, as I have finished the ring area, I'm going to make it a circle just like I did for the bracelet. So you can either put it in the last band stitch of your chain, or you can put it in the first stitch of this ring, and I'm going to put it in the first stitch of this ring. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the middle, and now I'm just going to expand it with my fingers and then take my S-clip and try to fit it on all of the bands. And remember to try to get all of your bands. And then that is your bracelet ring finished. And you just put on the bracelet bit, and then you take the chain bit and expand it and then put it on any finger. I like to put it on my index finger because it's comfortable. And that is your ring bracelet complete. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.